Okay, posting a client refund. Posting a client refund is different from posting a duplicate payment because there's some backup involved, okay? Posting a client refund usually means that there was a return involved or a change, okay? So in this case, what we're seeing is that the client paid for the item, but I guess it was a no-go, so it was canceled. Okay, so we're going, actually I'm going to change this from that to be here. So now that we have, okay, the credit item, we're going to process the refund going through money in, and here we see the credit, the invoiced credit item. And if we are just going to refund it on their credit card, we're going to post that. I'm going to treat it as if we're going to refund it on their Amex. And basically, you're going to process that through your merchant processing, but this is just for the posting of that, okay? So in order for us to capture that we are actually refunding it, and you know, unless you have to cut a check, and we do have additional tutorials that show how to cut a check, but in this case, we're going to just refund it to their American Express. Okay, and I will say 541223. Okay, so I'm going to just say refund for returned accent tables on invoice 300042. Okay, so that refund for returned accent tables to Blake Amex on, whoops, on 5/13/24. Okay, so that is how we're going to process it. Okay, I mean, it's going back to their Amex coming from our account. Okay, this is how we'd post it. So you want to make sure you fully process it the way you would anything else, and we're going to go ahead and post it. Okay, the only difference if you are cutting a check is that you're doing it, you're using the suspense and then printing a check. Okay, if there are any questions, let me know.